In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar on Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional calendar you can use to plan projects, track events, or map out your week. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. You can do this from the left sidebar by selecting the option to add a new page, or by using the plus button where your workspace allows it. A fresh page gives you a dedicated space for your calendar and keeps everything tidy. Once the blank page opens, you'll see a title field at the top. Click there and give your page a clear, memorable name, something like Calendar, Team Schedule, or Content Planner. Good naming helps you find it quickly later and sets the purpose right away. If you like, you can add an icon or cover for a bit of visual flair, but that's optional. With the page named, click into the body of the page so your cursor is active. Now type the /, then start typing the word calendar. The / command is Notion's quick menu for inserting blocks and databases. As you type, you'll see options appear. This is a fast way to find exactly what you need without digging through menus. If you don't see anything at first, keep typing calendar to filter the list. On mobile, make sure your keyboard is visible so you can enter the /. From the results, click on Calendar View. This action inserts a calendar database right on your page. In a moment, you should see a month grid with days laid out. That means your calendar is ready to use. You can click any day to add a new item, give it a title, and Notion will automatically assign the date based on where you clicked. If you prefer to add something first and then pick a date, open the item and adjust the date property there. You can also drag entries to different days to reschedule quickly. Super helpful when plans shift. At this point, your calendar is active. You can rename it if you want, add notes inside at each event, and use search to find items later. If the calendar looks too cramped, try zooming your Notion window or collapsing the sidebar for more space. And if you ever typed the / but chose the wrong block by accident, just delete it and repeat the / and type step to select calendar view again. That's all it takes. Create a new page, name it, type the / and calendar, and click calendar view. You now have a Notion calendar you can build on and customize as your needs grow.